Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you have deleted any Facebook post or any Facebook photos and you want to recover that, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how to recover deleted Facebook photos easily. So to do that, just open your Facebook app on your phone. Now just navigate to your Facebook profile by tapping here and just tap on this 3 button here. From here, just tap on this activity log. Now you can see there is a trash icon or written trash. Just tap on this. You will find all the posts or all the photos which you have deleted before, and just tap on this 3 dot again, and you can see there is an option restore to your profile. So just tap on this. Or if you have multiple photos to recover, then you can select. So after selecting the photos which you want to recover, just tap on this restore, right? So let's tap here. Again, just tap on this restore to confirm. And this post is recovered to my profile. So let's get back to my profile and reload my Facebook profile. So let's check. Here is the image. It's recovered. So basically this is how you can easily recover deleted Facebook photos or posts. But remember one thing, once you deleted your Facebook photos or post, you can only recover that within next 30 days of delete. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.